This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News, and we're here with Matt Dinnick from Sandvine. Matt, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Jeff.
So you just finished up a presentation here at TC3. What are the key takeaways?
I think the key takeaways are really around, the customer experience, how we can better help from Sandvine's perspective, how we can better assist our communication service provider customers in delivering a better, quality of experience to their customers. It's really derived from getting the insight out of the network and understanding what applications those customers are using, what is the quality of experience that is associated with those applications, and making sure that our customers are able to dynamically apply policies that effectively improve that quality of experience for all customers.
So where's Sandvine today? You're a public company.
That's right.
Global. Give us some metrics that you use to measure where you are.
Sure. So we've been around. We were founded in 2001.
Yeah.
We're a publicly traded company on the Toronto Stock Exchange. We work with communication service providers around the world. So we're in over 90 countries and about 250 customers is our part of our global customer base. Really access agnostic in terms of the access technology that our customers have deployed. So when we think about who is a Sandvine customer, we're looking at folks who operate 2G, 3G, LTE networks, Wi-Fi, satellite cable, DSL, fiber, you name it. And really the concept of having the Sandvine, the Universal Network Policy Control platform that we offer, is really enabling our customers who perhaps operate converged networks to have that same policy across the control and data planes, across all access technologies, to deliver very innovative services very quickly and really protect the customer experience for all subscribers, no matter the access technology.
Well, I've always known Sandvine as being kind of at the core network layer.
Yeah.
In terms of policy enforcement. When you speak about customer service and customer experience, you start talking about portals and the CRM tools. How have you moved up stack, if you will, and how do you start integrating to affect and impact the customer experience?
Yeah, really good question. I think it really stems from the Sandvine expertise and our ability to understand what's going on in the network from an application level, device level, subscriber network resource level. All of those insights and all that data that we're essentially able to extract from the network, we're able to, through a series of open APIs, if that's what the customer, depending on the use case,
yep,
but extract that data and then feed it to a third-party customer experience management platform, perhaps a big data analytics platform, or even many of our customers use our existing business intelligence tools, network analytics, network demographics, for sort of that real-time, the analytics insight into what's happening on the network. What are the broad trends? Sort of helping them spot the broad trends through sort of a web-based application. Then in terms of a portal, we recently acquired a company out of Rotterdam called Momac Technologies. So Momac has really been brought online and brought into the Sandvine product portfolio to bolster our Sandvine Outreach product. And this is really how we enable our operator customers to create stronger engagement with their subscribers. And the way they do that is through real-time notifications of usage, captive portals, looking at content stores to really enable their customers to interact with their operator.
So how does that product integrate with your existing product?
So the Sandvine Outreach product is actually something that we launched quite a few years ago in terms of delivering SMS notifications, delivering captive portal capabilities. The integration of Sandvine Rotterdam is really going to enable us to offer a broader experience when it comes to the Sandvine Outreach product portfolio. So looking at things like content stores, where in many emerging markets, many consumers don't have access to a bank account. The way that they download or the way that they pay for content, whether it's an application, whether it's a video, whether it's a song, whatever it might be, whatever piece of media, a lot of times they do that through airtime. So they're debiting the airtime with their carrier, with their operator. So we can leverage the existing billing relationships that carrier has with their customer, and through a content store enable them to purchase whatever it might be that's offered through that provider. So it really helps to kind of bolster the Sandvine Outreach product, and Sandvine Outreach Experience Manager is really core to that protecting or bolstering of the customer experience.
Well, one of the key themes in this year's show has been talking about the percent of customer engagements that are digital versus in person. Sprint just mentioned their target is 30 to 40%. There was another carrier yesterday that said they're already at 50%.
Wow.
Is Sandvine going to be under the hood in terms of helping folks, carriers specifically, get to that 50%, or are you with these new tools going to be the tool that's going to help them get to 50%?
Yeah, I think it's a little of both, right? You know, if we think about the Sandvine platform and our ability to, you know, our application awareness, subscriber awareness, you know, being able to understand from a network level and utilization level what's happening from an experience standpoint, and even, you know, what applications are being used. So I think there's that element of it, but also the applications. And I think it's fantastic that, you know, our operator customers are looking to evolve, you know, the digital experience. I think you know, we have a number of existing tools and platforms to really help them deliver that digital experience more effectively. We were talking earlier about Sandvine Outreach. I mean, that's definitely one mechanism I think I can see. If we think about even in emerging markets, and especially in emerging markets where it's really about service personalization. You know, the customer experience means my experience needs to be different. You know, it's different from yours. I have different needs, you have different needs, and how I utilize the internet. And I think in terms of tailoring or personalizing a digital experience, we have products that are currently in the market that our customers can take advantage and take benefit of, and really, you know, deliver that digital experience for all subscribers.
Well, Matt, thanks for your time today.
It's been great. Thanks a lot, Jeff.